Hello everyone and welcome to Master in Python's Fundamental course. Myself Yogesh and I'm having a 21 year of experience in IT industry and currently I'm working as a senior solution architect in USA. I'm also having a 20 plus year of experience in teaching and also having excellent knowledge in Azure, .NET, Python, data science, microservices, Kafka, Angular, React and system design. In this video, I'm going to talk about the different models I'm going to cover in this course. But before that, let's start with some basic stuff. What is the Python and why Python get used? Python is a high-level, versatile programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Python's syntax is clean, clear, and easy to understand, making it an excellent choice for beginners as well as the experienced programmer. It supports the multiple programming paradigm, including object-oriented and the functional programming. It widely used for the web development, data analysis, AI, and many more. It runs on a different operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks such as NumPy for numerical computations, Pandas for data analysis, and Django for web development. Next, why Python or why Python is so popular. First, simplicity and readability. As I already mentioned, syntax is very clean, clear, and easy to understand. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or experienced programmer. Versatility means you can use the Python programming in web development, AI, data science, and data analysis. Next, community and support. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its growth and provide a support through forum, conferences, and online resources like Stack Overflow. Portability means Python code can be run on Windows operating system, Mac OS, Linux, or even on the mobile devices, making it highly portable. Next, great for prototyping. Python's ease of use and rapid development capabilities make it ideal for prototyping and testing ideas quickly before committing to larger project libraries and framework. Python has a rich ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks that extend its capability in various domains such as Django and Flask for web development, NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning and many more. Lastly, career opportunities. Python's widespread adoption means that developers proficient in Python are in high demand across industries, making it valuable skill to have in today's job market. I will talk more on this when I am going to end this video. Let's discuss what models I am going to cover in this course. So we'll start with the model 1, which is the Python basic. So here we again going to talk about Python definition, why Python get used, Python installation, and we are going to use a Visual Studio Code to run the Python code. Then there are some basic stuff like variables, data types, input, output, conditional operators, comparators, then importing a modules, list, and loop. Next is module 2, JSON, pip, virtual environment, and functions. In this module, I'm going to cover JSON, then pip, which is a NuGet package manager. This will help us to import a third-party libraries of Python. Then request library and HTTP call. Using this, we can make a third-party API call using request library. Then setting the virtual environment, functions, and error handling using try and except. Model 3 is talking about the data structure and the collections. So I'm going to cover some important data structure in Python. We'll start with the dictionary, tuples, and set. Next, model 4 is object-oriented programming. So here I'm going to cover class and objects. Then the pillar of object-oriented programming like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulations. Then some render methods, attribute access property, inspecting a class relationship, prove a class or objects, class methods, data classes, and MyPy. Module 5 is working with files. So how we can finding the files using some libraries of Python. then working with files and the folder, then archiving the files, reading and writing the files. Next module is very, very important, which is building an API. So we can create an API using a fast API or using a Flask. This is a very important topic in terms of web development. So we can see both the option, how we can create our APIs using these two options. And we can also see what is the difference between the fast API and Flask. And when we can go with the fast API or when we can go with the Flask for API development. Last module is working with database. This is again an important module. Here you are working with a SQLite where we can create, update, delete, and retrieve a record from the SQLite using a Python library. And the last topic is SQL Alchemy. It's a Python ORM. ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. Here we are again performing the same kind of operation like create, update, delete, and retrieve from SQLite using SQL Alchemy. Cool. So these are the models I am going to cover in this Python journey. Lastly, what benefit after the course you will get? So after learning this Python in detail, you have an open door for these streams. Like you can choose a web developer or a data analyst or data scientist, software developer or engineer, AI developer, DevOps engineer, game developer, automation engineer, academic and scientific research, financial and quantitative analyst, cybersecurity analyst. It's up to you which field you are choosing, but you must know the Python in detail. Awesome. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested to join this course, email me on codingfactory1@gmail.com or WhatsApp on 9833 7092. I have also added a link of detailed syllabus of this course in the video description so you can download it. That's all for now and see you in the live lecture. Thanks.